My people, not be small something today. The video where a lot of lemon post today. If I tell you, say, I not feel home the laugh when I laugh for that video, guys. The video don't show us where a lot of lemon pain, frustration, anger for the come where Mary day. Mary, why you no one give lot of lemon the doings to do? Lemon say you not give am ikpu. He said you not give a kpekus make it knack. Say over how many months na you ever knack kpekus. You ever give a ikpu? Mary. But anyway, before I go into this matter, make I greet you now. I greet you, I call it to your time. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, please give me like and love. Share this video for me. And don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Thank you, my people. My people. I go say I don't go laugh, I go still laugh. Lord of Lemon don't really show us today where he anger for the come, where he frustration for the come. Konji not good though. Mary, why you want use Konji finish Lord of Lemon? Why you not want let Lord of Lemon perform his duty? That thing when he pay for, you refuse to give her over how many months? Now, dear Lord of Lemon frustration for the come. That is why I say, Lemon go get problem with joy. Lemon go leave joy. He go pick on Mary. Lemon go get problem with joy. Lemon go leave joy. Now Mary go face because Mary not give her ikpu. Mary not give her kpekus. Mary. So you keep the kpekus very well. You not agree give Lord of Lemon. That is why he accuse you say why Zuma they fagger you. Because the frustration is already, in short, is already out of hand. The frustration is already out of hand. We don't see today's video. Today's video is the funniest video. Even when Joy, they carry her up. That one see they funny, but today is the most funniest video. Oh my God. Guys, if you ever watch that video, go to my page and watch that video. You go laugh tire. If you get the energy to laugh, you go laugh tire. Mary, I beg now. This one is justice for kpekus. So, justice for kpekus, I beg. Make you give a Lord of Lemon kpekus. Or justice for Amu. Now we go call this or justice for Lord of Lemon. I beg. Give Lord of Lemon a kpekus, make it do. Many men, not they use this matter to they play. Many men, not they use and they play. 1 month, 2 months, you not give them, In short, you go be their greatest enemy for inside house. You go be their greatest enemy for inside house. Now the simple truth. Nothing you go do where be say they not go pick up on you. Nothing where you go do where be say they not go use cause they face you. That is why Lord of Lemon they face you with different kind of cause. So that you go they pay you for, but this is the one where you they do they pay them. Hey, Konji, you want let Konji finish Lemon. Lemon say he condom na. He say condom na logo. Lemon logo. God. Mary, kpekus you not give am. Joy not give am. They will not expect to make una get peace for that house. You people cannot have peace. That is why I say make una comot. Guys, that is why I say make una comot. Since you not get wetin that they do for am, make una carry una self comot. The kpekus na not give am. He dey carry condom up and down, go dey knack for outside. When he get two women for his house, he say make una go back to una papa and mama house. He na single, make it dey live single life. Hey God, Lord of Lemon. I don't know whether na where I go call am or wetin I go call am. I don't know. But frankly speaking, Mary, it is not good though. It is not good though. People when they say you are a strong woman, you are a strong woman. Their husband, they get more than 10 girlfriends for outside though. Their husband, they do more than the way Lemon they do. I know say Lord of Lemon bad math na extraordinary. Maybe not because of the kpekus. If you give Lord of Lemon kpekus now, Lord of Lemon now go begin the prophesy love for you. He go begin the prophesy love for you. He go begin. That is where body they pay. That is why body they pepper Lord of Lemon. Now we see wetin make body they pepper Lord of Lemon. Now we see where they pay for they come. Hey! So you go just carry yourself like that with her till daybreak. If you touch, you say make it not touch. You not have frustration not go whole Lord of Lemon. I don't go call you names. That is why I say, why is I gonna knock you, say you go meet your ex-boyfriend. Guys, sorry for the laughing because today's video, it too dey funny. Mary, I beg now, may you give Lord of Labor kpekus. I take God beg you. Give Lord of Labor kpekus, may peace reign. If you give Lord of Labor kpekus, peace go reign. Peace go reign. You go say those bad man go stop. Now the pain, frustration, that make they call you names. Guys, share this video, guys. If you come across this video, please share this video.